guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Vortex tablet touchscreen not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you fix your Vortex tablet here if the touchscreen is not working? So there are going to be a few things that you can try here to probably solve this issue. So first thing you can do here is you need to probably force restart your tablet. So in this case, you want to look for the power and volumes buttons that you have for your tablet, and you want to press and hold the power and volume down button, which is in this case at the right side is what they're going to look like. Now you want to keep holding them around or in between 10 to 20 seconds. Now the tablet logo should appear on the screen, and once the logo shows up on your screen here, you want to release the power button but keep holding the volume down button. Now in this case, just keep holding the volume down button here and until the tablet actually fully boots up. Now this actually clears up any glitches or errors that you might be having on your tablet. Now another thing that you might want to do here is you want to make sure that your tablet screen is actually clean. So in this case, maybe get a small in this case, maybe get like a microfiber here and just wipe your screen here. Just make sure it's fully clean. Now if you're using like any protection on it, so if you have any protections on your screen on it, and if you see any bubbles appearing on the sides here, it might be a faulty screen protector. So in this case, it will not, or it will no longer be able to read the movements or the touch that you do on your screen. So you might want to replace that specific protector that you currently have as well. Now also, you might want to remove any accessories here. So if you have, like, for example, like casing for your tablet, you might want to remove that as well as a temporary solution and see if that actually solves your issue. Now also, if none of those work, the final and last thing that you could do here is to factory reset your tablet. So what you need to do is you want to look for your power button and volume up button here, which is at the side here, and you want to press and hold those two buttons together. Now, when the Vortex logo shows up here, you want to go and release the power button, but keep holding the volume up button until you see the recover menu. Now, from then on, you just need to use your volume button to volume button here to basically choose the wipe data or factory reset option, and from then on, just confirm by using the power button here as a selection. Now, in this case, this will factory reset your device. So if you haven't backed up your data or any files that you want to have it backed up, it will be deleted. So I would suggest you to first make sure that you have all your files backed up first before doing the last step here. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.